Hey baby girl, what's up? Leo umeamua tukule mandazi? Coming home at night. Mbona unapika mandazi usiku?
For breakfast tomorrow.
Azinge goja, it's almost midnight and you're having a busy day tomorrow.
God knows how I missed mandazi.
Mm-hmm.
Homemade mandazi.
Yeah, we are the lovers of mandazi. Hizi vitu.
This is breakfast for the next
Mm-hmm.
3 days.
But you always do mandazi on weekend. This weekend kuliendaje?
This weekend
Ama ni juu ulikuwa umepika chapati last week.
we could
Katikati ya wiki.
chapati. No, we made chapatis on Saturday.
On Saturday, oh by the way.
Was it Saturday or Friday?
I think it was Friday.
So we could not make. We would have consumed a lot of wheat.
Mm-hmm.
But
They are sizzling. I like the way they are sizzling. Yeah. Zinakaa poa. I'm telling you. Mm-hmm. You give them time, unazibadilisha badilisha, zinachukua rangi kama ya pesa, rangi kama ya mababes hapa hivi. Tomorrow, kesho utawika, because you'll be waking up at around 5, starting your day at around 6, and you'll go all the way to 6 again.
6 or 9, 8.
It will go up to 8.
By the time I'll be back in Kitengele, it will already 8.
You'll be having an exclusively tough day.
Great, the mandazis are good, man, and it's just for 2 grown-ups.
And 1 little baby girl. Leo tunapika mandazi kama, and I had something that nilikuwa nimeweka hapa kwenye hii sufuria, and I think now it's ready. Some greens here, some vegetables. This is some vegetables, some skuma wiki. It's what we are eating for tonight. Yes, my darling. The Bitaji is calling me out to go and to see a butterfly. Where is the butterfly?
Come and show you. Come and show you. Come out. Come and show
Where is it? Hey, Taji knows how to keep. You calling me outside? What are you doing outside? It's night.
Yes, this.
Where is it?
Here.
Oh, the small butterfly outside here.
Yes, it's too pretty.
Okay, let's go back inside. Talk to the people.
Hello.
So you want to have a sleepover?
You like a sleep?
Your...
They're not asleep.
I like a sleep. Okay.
Which cartoon are you watching?
This one.
Which one is that? The monkey.
Yeah.
Okay.
And her dad.
Okay. There we are, back to Mama Taji. The mandazis are still sizzling. How many minutes does it take to cook mandazi once you put them into the boiling oil?
There's no minutes.
Or it depends with the amount of heat on the oil.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But once they can.
But it looks like you are taking only about 2 minutes and it's ready.
Yeah, and we are done. Boom. Done.
Mm-hmm.
Can you take a photo of these mandazis?
Yo, mandazi.
Oops. Take care.
Oh, I'm standing next to the burning oil, and that is dangerous.
Hot, hot.
Are we done?
Mm.
How do they taste?
Mm-hmm. They're nice.
Can I help you?
Yes, I do.
Then I tell you what you have done. Wow. That's how to cook mandazi. Aya. Now we are off to celebrating some mandazis.
Have a good night, girl.
Good night.
See you some other time.